Ever get asked a question out of nowhere and completely freeze? That moment of panic can make even confident people stumble. But staying calm is something you can train in just seconds. One simple method is practicing a short pause, breathe, answer routine. Let me show you how I do it. You can do this in your notes app, but I'll type it in Google Docs here so it's easy to follow along. I just write out the sequence, pause, breathe, count to three, answer. Even just seeing it helps you remember the steps in the moment. Next time someone asks you something unexpectedly, you have a clear plan. You pause, breathe, and respond with control instead of panic. This quick step is effective immediately, but real confidence comes from anchoring it into your daily habits. That's exactly what the Confidence Challenge teaches. With daily exercises and guided tools, you learn to respond calmly and confidently in any situation. And to help you apply it beyond just meetings or questions, the challenge includes a personal one on one advisor and daily mantras from the 30 Days of Power and Purpose bonus to reinforce your growth. It's only $7 to start, beginner friendly, and you can begin today. Click the link below and start responding to any challenge with calm confidence.